Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you all? Today is 25th May 2021 and the day is Tuesday. This is your social studies session. Today we are going to revise Unit 6, being a Pakistani, chapter number 1. There are many countries in the world. Pakistan is our country. Do you love your country? Of course, we love Pakistan. We love everything about it. We love the places, the food, the clothes. We love everything that relates to Pakistan. We all love each and everything that relates to Pakistan because there are so many countries in the world, and Pakistan is our country, and we love our country, obviously, and we love each and everything of our country, like the people, the places, the food, the clothes. We love each and everything that related to Pakistan. Every country has something which are very important for it. These are called national symbols. Every country had some important things, what they are called national symbols, okay, or national signs. National symbols are special for our country. Every country has their own national symbols, and they are and that symbols are very important. Pakistan has many national symbols. Let me show you some national symbols of Pakistan. Here we are talking about some national symbols. What is it? This is flag, national flag, and we are the national flag has crescent and star, and the color of our flag is white and green. White shows the minority that of my minority of non-Muslims, and green part show the majority of Muslims. So this is our national identity. Qawmi Tarana, national anthem, Pak Sar Zameen. This is the national anthem of Pakistan, not other country. This is a flag of Pakistan, not for the other countries. Only for Pakistan, and this is only for Pakistan is national anthem. Father of nation, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. He's the one he's the one he's our leader, and he's father of nation. He's the one who who help us to get separate nation from Hindu. Because of his day night work or day night struggle, we get a separate nation from Hindu. Allama Iqbal is the national poet of Pakistan. He is the one who saw the dream of separate nation for Muslims. National Mosque is Faisal Masjid. It is located in Islamabad, or situated in Islamabad. National sport is hockey. Hockey is our national sport. National language is Urdu. This is our national language is Urdu. National animal is markhor. This is a national animal that is called markhor, and this is a national flower that is called jasmine. Okay. What grandma says? Grandma say we must respect our national symbols. They are representation of what we believe in. They are not only physical objects, personalities, and historical events. They are also represent the thoughts and emotions of people of Pakistan. These are not the people or some historical buildings or something or personalities or objects. These are the thoughts and emotions of the people. We all love our country. We all love with our flag. We all love with our national anthem, and we all love our national heroes or leaders and national places, each and everything. Okay. And one thing more I would like to tell you, that our national, if anyone asks what's your national dress, our national dress is kameez and shalwar. For today, till here, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.